Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder FUB. O Corporation just filed a 15C211 notification, and I'm seeing one red flag that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company appears to be making a significant operational change that investors need to know about right now. Today we are looking at SRFM Mobility Incorporated, their 8K filing from May 2026, and 8K is basically a report for big events that shareholders need to know about right away, like executive changes or big financial news. SRFM Mobility Incorporated is a company in the industrial sector, specifically airlines, and they have a market cap of about $124 million with 571 employees. We have seen some recent news about them, including a director receiving an equity award back in May and a Q4 earnings report that showed a loss but beat revenue estimates earlier this year. Also, a good chunk of their stock is coming out of a lockup agreement this week. Before we dive in, let's quickly look at what is registered: common stock, traded under the symbol SRFM on the New York Stock Exchange. They are also checking the box that they qualify as an emerging growth company, meaning they get some flexibility on reporting rules. The main story in this filing is a leadership change. Carl Albert, the chairman of the board, has decided not to seek re-election at the upcoming 2026 annual meeting of shareholders, which is scheduled for July. He will continue in his role as chairman and a director until that meeting happens. Importantly, his decision is not due to any disagreements with the company regarding its operations or policies. This is good to see that there are no apparent conflicts or issues driving his departure. He is transitioning to a new role as Chairman Emeritus and will act as an advisor to the board. This advisory agreement is set to begin after the annual meeting and will last for 1 year. It can be extended for another year if both parties agree. For his advisory services, Mr. Albert will receive a fee of $110,000 annually. On top of that, he will get equity compensation valued at approximately $165,000 per year, on the same terms as other non-employee board members. But here is a really interesting part. He's also getting a one-time equity award of 1 million shares of the company's common stock. Most of these shares, 750,000, will be granted and fully vested right away when the advisory agreement starts. The remaining 250,000 shares will vest on the 1-year anniversary of the agreement, as long as he is still providing services. This is a significant incentive to ensure his continued guidance. Following Mr. Albert's nomination, the board has elected Sean Pelsinger to take over as chairman, effective from the date of the annual meeting. This sets up a clear succession plan. The filing also lists the exhibits. We have the Advisory Services Agreement itself as Exhibit 10.1 and the cover page interactive data file. And the report is signed by Deanna White, the Chief Executive Officer, on May 22, 2026. Looking at this filing, the key takeaway is the planned transition of leadership at SRFM Mobility Incorporated. While the departure of a chairman can sometimes signal trouble, the fact that it is not due to disagreements and he is moving into an advisory role with significant share grants suggests a smooth handover designed to retain valuable experience. The structure of his advisory compensation, particularly the upfront grant of a large number of shares, indicates the company's desire to secure his expertise and align his interests with shareholders post-transition. This move is aimed at ensuring continuity and leveraging Mr. Albert's knowledge for at least another year. The company is demonstrating proactive succession planning, which is generally a positive sign for stability. As for risks, any leadership change can introduce uncertainty, but the terms of this agreement seem structured to mitigate that. What I am actually looking for is how Sean Pelsinger steps into the chairman role, and whether the company's operational and financial performance continues to improve following this transition. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps. And subscribe for more deep dives. Check out the Discord in the description.